We'll guide you through how to download and install shaders in Minecraft 1.21.4. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can completely go and enhance the look of Minecraft. There are different styles you can get, but overall they just really enhance the game. So to get started, let's quit Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop, so let's go and open up a web browser like so. If you've got a shader pack in mind you want, you can go and get it. If you don't though, what we can do is go and head to a site called CurseForge, as we can go and browse through different packs there. Make sure you come to the site curseforge.com. Go and select Minecraft and select Browse All at the top. Now on the left here, we can come and select shaders. We can also go down and choose the game version and set that to 1.21.4. We can see different packs here. So what you could do is go and click on them, for example, and then you can often go through the gallery and go and see how they go and look. So go and find a pack you want. In this case, I've actually used these before. I think they look really nice. So what we can then do is go and click on files and we can scroll down. Now what we want to do is come and find the version. I like to get the most recent one, of course, for 1.21.4. And then we can go and press the three dots to the right and press download file. They now have. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. They've got so many great features, for example, DDoS protection, keeping your server safe, instant setups when you go and purchase your server, you can go and start playing as soon as possible, a powerful panel to go manage it as well. Also, the servers are 24/7 as well. Now we need to go and get what's going to go and run the shaders, and that is called Optifine. You may have heard of it before. It's an optimization mod for Minecraft. So go and search for it and you can come to optifine.net. You can then head to the top and go and click on downloads like so. Here we can go and see 1.21.4. You can click on show versions otherwise. Now we can press download and you're going to get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware, download buttons here are for the ad. To go and download Optifine, you need to click on the skip button in the top right, which will appear after a certain amount of time. Here we are on the download page and we can press download and it's now downloading. We've now downloaded what we need. So you can come out of your browser and you want to go and open up your file explorer and you can come to your downloads. And in here, you're going to go and see Optifine. So what you need to do is go and run it, double click it like so, and it should go and pop up. If it doesn't, this is likely because Java isn't installed. So what you can do is come and open up your web browser and you want to go and head to java.com. Here you can press download Java for desktops and you can then click on download Java. Go and download it and install it like any other application. And then what you can do is you can come back here, right click on Optifine, hover over open with and select Java TM platform SE binary. It should then go and run and what we can then do is press install. If it still doesn't, you need to do something called a jar fix, which links jar and Java files together. So we've now successfully installed it. Now what we can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher again. Go to the left of the play button and you need to make sure you select Optifine and then press play. And now it should load and we can go and install the shaders. To do that, pause the game by pressing escape and click options and then click video settings and click shaders. Then what you need to do is click on shaders folder. And what you can then do is go and open up your downloads folder again, and you can go and drag and drop in the shaders. So here we are. Then they'll go and appear in the list here. And what you can do is go and select them like so. And as you can see, the shaders completely enhance the look. You can go and see there are shadows and the water looks completely different as well.